Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will discuss about MS Office Word. We will learn how we can open MS Office Word. There are various methods by which we can open MS Office Word. For this, first of all we will go to Start and we will click on this All Programs. Now we will open Microsoft Office Word folder and we will click on this file Microsoft Office Word 2007. It has been opened. It is one method to open MS Office Word. Second method is we will click on Office button, Start button, and here we will click on this Microsoft Office Word. It is open. One way is we will write Win Word here and we will click on it. So it will also open MS Office Word. One more way is this: we will click on My Computer and we'll go to C drive, program file x86, this, not this, and here we will select Microsoft Office folder. Here we will go to Office 12 and we will click W from keyboard. W will select WinWord key, V1 WinWord application. We will click on it and MS Office of Word will again open. So like this we can open MS Office Word with the help of these methods. Now how we can create shortcut of MS Office Word. It is also a shortcut. If I right click on it and remove from the list, it will remove from here. We can remove it from this list also. If you want to bring that file here, we will click All Programs, we will go to Microsoft Office and here we will do right click on it and we'll say Pin to Start menu. So we can look here, it is in Start menu. One more way is we will go into the All Programs and Microsoft Office and we will right click on it and we'll say Pin to Taskbar. Pin to Taskbar means MS Office will be MS Office exe file will come here. As soon as we will click on it, MS Office Word will open. If you want to remove it from here, we will do right click and unpin from this list. We will see. One more way to make a shortcut is we will click All Programs, we will go to Microsoft Office and we will do right click on it and we will say Send to Desktop Create Shortcut. It will make a shortcut of MS Office Word from where we can directly open MS Office Word anytime. So like this we can open MS Office Word by various methods. Now how we can work with MS Office Word. For this, first of all I will put some data with the help of rand function. It is some random data. So this file is open, contains some data. We will save this file with the help of save command. We will click on save. Here we have to select location where we want to save. Suppose I want to save this file on desktop, so I will click on desktop. Now we can save this file with the name my file. Now we have two options. Either we can save directly on the desktop or we can save our file in a particular folder. Suppose I want to save this file in a folder, we will click on new folder and we'll give this folder name my folder and again double click on this folder to open it and we will save this file. File has been saved. Now if I want to close it, we can click on Office button and I will click on close, so file will close. If you want to shut this MS Office, we can directly click over here or we can say exit Word. Now we can look here, it is my folder and it contains my file. So there are also various methods to open a previously created file. One method is we will open the folder or we will go to the file and double click on that file, it will open directly, or we will select and press enter key from keyboard, again file will open. And one more way is this: we will open Microsoft Office Word and we will click on Office button and we will click on open. From open we will go to desktop and we will select our folder or file directly, but my file is not directly, it is present in a folder. So I will go to folder, select that file and will say open. Like this we can open. One more way is this file is closed. We will go here and here we can look file name. As soon as we will click on it, file will open. So like this we can open a file. So these are the commands to open a file and to save a file. With the help of new, we can create a new file. It is also shortcut to create a new file, Control N. Control N will also create a new file. Control N, it is for new file, and Control S is for save file, and Control O is for open file. So these are the shortcut keys that we can apply to save a file, to open a new file, or to close, to take a new file. Now one more option beside new, open, save, one more option is save as. Save as is also very useful function. With the help of this command we can perform three type of operation. If suppose I took a new file which contains some data, if I click on save as, because this file is not saved yet, so if we will click on save as, it will save this file like this, my file too, it will save this file. But if file is already saved and we click on save as, then it will rename that file like this, my file 3. So we can rename a file with other name. One more way of save as is this. One more way to use save as, we will click on format. Means we can save our file in older format. For this we will click on other format, and from here we will save. We will select save as type. Suppose I am saying plain text. In case of plain text, suppose I am saying it on desktop, this file will become notepad file. We can look here. As soon as we will go on desktop, it is a file, my file 3. All data is here. So we can save our file in format of in format of notepad. If we want to save a file in some other format, we will click on save as, and here we will select like web page. Same file will save as web page. This is, as soon as you will click over here, file will open. We can look here, as soon as we save file, its format is changed because it is web layout. We want to bring it normal print layout, we will click here, and we can control this layout from here also. It is web layout and it is print layout. Generally we keep our file in print layout view. Now what is the shortcut for this? Shortcut key for save as is Alt plus F plus A. Save as, Alt FA. If you want to close this file, we will click on close, file will close. So like this we can perform operation on MS Office Word. How we can open MS Office Word, how we can create a new file, save as, and how we can close. If you want to close MS Office Word, we will click on exit like this. So these are the option of MS Office Word. Thanks for watching.